Hi, third grade. Welcome to lesson 3-4. And today we are doing more addition. We're going to make sure we are strong in this, really strong and mighty. Again, I'm going to show you another way people add, but again, not going to make you do it. Okay, we're going to keep working on that traditional, regular, everyday way that your parents know. But I'm going to show you this other way. Probably of all the ways, this one gets used the least of my students. They don't tend to like this one too much because it can be really messy. But for now, go back in time. We're going to focus on that math message and see how you did. So you were asked to solve two different addition problems, the first one being 47 plus 68. So we go to our ones place and we have 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. Very nice. When we have that two-digit number, we've got to remember to take the tens place number or the larger of the place values and bring that up. So he's in his correct place value. Now we have 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 1 more, 11. According to our estimate, if I went 50 and 70, 50 plus 70 is 120. Very close. Feel very good that my answer is probably correct. So that's number 1 in your math message. Let's look at the next one in your math message. And it was a little bit bigger, wasn't it? 248 plus 187. So again, we still start with that ones place. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 and 4 makes 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. And then 2, 3, 4. 435. My rounding, I would take that to 200, take this up to 200, 200 and 200 is 400, very close again. All right, so we are warmed up. We are ready to do our addition today. So if you have a seatbelt at your desk, you might want to fasten it before you start the next video in the next slide. Because again, I'm going to show you another way to do addition, but there will be no pencils in your hand, not expected to do it. You're not going to have to pick a pencil till we're back to the regular way, all right? So fasten your seatbelts. Join me in the next video. The show is about ready to begin.